The following podcast is strictly for entertainment purposes. The show is just a medium to express what an average 18 to 20-year-old thinks about certain topics. Neither me nor my guests are experts on any of the topics discussed. Viewer discretion is advised.
You feel How often do you feel frustrated, or let's say angry?
ऑल द
Yeah,
टाइम
angry.
दिल्ली के वैसे लोग होते हैं, हाँ भाई आ जाओ.
अब तो
So
मैं भी दिल्ली आ गया, मेरे में भी एंगर से मस्त फील हो रहा है.
yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Big Brain Time. Joining me tonight is the very smart, the very handsome Mr. Aaron O'Broy. Hello, sir. Ajo, sir. Very interesting gentleman with us tonight, huh? Spirituality and now
Yes,
Ayurveda and wellness.
I've done one podcast and it was amazing.
Mm-hmm. Like
Let's say,
पिछला वाला was like so interesting. I really like I was looking forward to this कि ठीक है कुछ मस्त कुछ काम की चीज आएगी, ठीक है वो पहले कुछ पता नहीं
specifically चेक करते रहता हूँ.
हाँ सीरियस. अरे आई लाइक शूटिंग द स्पिरिचुअलिटी वाला भाई. इतना सारा कंटेंट तो छोड़ो, इतना ज्यादा मेरे को कंटेंट मिला ना, दिमाग लाइक ज्ञान मिला मेरे को इतना. इवन तो कुछ फिक्स नहीं किया मैंने लाइफ में but still, so we're going to be talking about Ayurveda and wellness, right? Food, Ayurveda and wellness.
Food, Ayurveda and like the mind basically. Food and connection with the mind. बहुत चीजें बात करेंगे. Off topic भी जाएंगे तो.
So why don't you start us off with how is it connected to our mind, food and stuff? How is it?
Yeah. So basically, let me talk about, like, I have been reading Ayurveda since the past 1 year, and I have been like incorporating Ayurvedic lifestyles, trying various diets. I always used to feel ki, why is it that I feel tired all the time? Ki why is it that मैं खाना खाता हूँ and when food is literally used to give me energy, why is it that I go to sleep after I eat food? And then I was asking all these questions ki I want to stay alert and agile all the time, and how. So because all of us, we need to do a lot of mental work. Now let us look at you. You're you're a YouTuber, right? तेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा, एक तो you need passion for which you have
Thank
for
you.
YouTube, but at the same time you need the energy to like stay in an imaginative zone, in a creative zone and concentrated zone. ये तेरे को वीडियो एडिट करने में शायद घंटे घंटे लग जाएंगे. So you need that concentration and also imagination and innovation.
That's what because you also burn out while you're, because मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है, because if you're creating something, I burn out very quickly. I come up with an idea, I record it, I put it up, and then I forget कि अब I'm a creator. Because मेरे को इतना the more I think about it, the more hard it becomes to कि कुछ करना है, कुछ वो करना है. It just comes up naturally. But
Or like constantly you have to think about ideas.
right.
Burnout hoga, but like how can we reduce that burnout? And have you asked yourself the question ki how can I make myself more creative? So again, there are again many things you could do. You could try meditating and you could try watching more content. बहुत सारी चीजें. But what we don't know is that food is also a part of our creativity, of our emotion, mainly our emotion. Abhi, how often do you feel frustrated, or let's say angry?
All the
Yeah,
time.
angry.
दिल्ली के वैसे लोग होते हैं, हाँ भाई आ जाओ.
तो मैं भी दिल्ली आ गया, मेरे में भी एंगर से मस्त फील हो रहा है.
या एग्रेसिवनेस अभी आ जाएगी थोड़ा, इट विल टेक टाइम.
एयरपोर्ट पे उतरते ही.
एयरपोर्ट पे लड़ाई, दिल्ली पहुंच गई.
तो तू बहुत चिकन खाता है क्या?
Right.
You love non-veg?
A lot. I love it. Chicken, mutton,
Yeah.
fish. I don't like that.
So again, every emotion we have in our body is connected to the food we eat. If we eat a certain type of food, it can help amplify a certain type of emotion or a state of mind. And I am not speaking this I'm speaking this out of my own experience also, but I'm also speaking this out of sheer like I've read this also. I've been reading this in Ayurveda. तो अब तू बहुत चिकन खाता है
Mm-hmm.
तो अभी again many people would argue with me on this. This is not scientifically backed, so I want everyone to have an open mind and try it for yourself. If you don't like something, if you think that I'm talking nonsense, try it for yourself and see.
Mm-hmm.
तो तेरे को naturally anger आएगा if you eat a lot
चिकन
of
खाने
chicken.
से
Again,
yeah
anger
ऐसा
is not a
seriously
bad thing if you eat a lot of non-vegetarian food in
Mhm.
general. Because not just non-vegetarian food, many other foods are.
Spicy
Let me
food
give you the
does like
explanation of
spicy
why
food make you angry
spicy food makes you angry, right?
है ना हाँ हाँ
So before we talk about why non-vegetarian or spicy food makes you angry, we'll talk about the three types of food in Ayurveda.
Mhm.
Which is Ayurveda says there are three types of food. I'm only talking about for the mind, not for the body. You don't
Mhm.
think for foods as like a mind thing. हम लोग सोचते हैं अखरोट खा लेंगे हमारी बहुत बड़ी ब्रेन हो जाएगी
बिग
ये
ब्रेन टाइम
सच बात है हाँ वही तो
अखरोट से बिग ब्रेन टाइम हो जाए
हम यहाँ बैठ के अखरोट खाते हैं बस
हाँ नहीं बट हाँ हाँ बता बता वो हाउ इज इट कनेक्टेड टू योर माइंड फूड थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ फूड
so like every emotion if you think about it whatever like we carry this heap of body which is nothing but food assimilated into skin, muscle, heart, and blood, everything.
हम्म
तो हर फूड हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जाके क्या सेम चीज बनाता है
एनर्जी एनर्जी मिलती है
लाइक
ना मोस्टली फूड से दैट्स व्हाट आई नो
एनर्जी मिलती है बट हम ग्रो भी तो करते हैं
हम्म राइट
तो जैसे अगर हार्ट है
हम्म
अब एवरी टाइम हार्ट के टिश्यूज भी वेयर आउट करते हैं like dead skin and every time our body is regenerating and building new tissues for
करेक्ट
every cell in the body.
हम्म
तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड ये नहीं कि हम एक रोटी खाएंगे तो उससे हमारी स्किन बनेगी उससे
हम्म
हमारे हेयर बनेंगे उससे हमारा लाइक मसल बनेगा मसल के लिए हमने बेसिक पढ़ रखा है प्रोटीन खाते हैं
बिल्डिंग
फैट के लिए
ब्लॉक्स
फैट
यस प्रोटीन
राइट
बचपन में पढ़ा था
बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स
या
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया स्पार्क
हम्म
तो
तो
लाइक हर सेल का हर फूड का फंक्शन डिफरेंट and certain foods help build our brain also because our brain is also tissues all the our tissues are wearing off all the time and we are growing
हम्म
so naturally if we eat shit food our brain will
हम्म
not develop and
हम्म
again even our hormones our
हम्म
glands are made of food.
हम्म
I'm just trying to give the logical explanation of how food is related to emotion and states of mind.
But how does
So like
Ayurveda works its way into all this?
yeah Ayurveda explains what type of food you need for what type of emotion. So I'll explain three types of foods that Ayurveda says. Three
Mm-hmm.
types of food are sattvic,
Mm-hmm.
rajasic, and tamasic. Okay, according
Okay.
to Ayurveda, these are the three types of foods categories for mind. So
Okay.
sattvic food will keep you calm and pure and clear-headed. It might say कि it will help you और फिर से बैठ के meditation नहीं होती. Let's say
Mm-hmm.
someone से बैठ के meditation नहीं हो पाती, वो बिल्कुल concentrate नहीं कर पाता, anxiety, thoughts ये सब. Can say again does not necessarily depends but you can say कि the type of food you're eating is not aiding in your meditation
अच्छा.
and yeah if you want to think down calmly and think very creatively that type of food will help sattva food is mainly like peace तुम peacefully चीजें सोच पाते हो you have inner you can settle down and sit
Okay. There is no chaos basically. मतलब okay, सात्विक this is sattvic, right?
yeah
Okay.
sattva like
Hmm.
calm.
Calm.
And the next is basically sattva category where we have natural foods, the way nature has intended. Let's say fruits. Fruits are sattvic in nature. Again, anything eaten too much is tamasic food, according to Ayurveda. Overeating is tamasic.
Mm-hmm.
You should eat, according to Ayurveda, you should eat when your stomach is full. And
Full.
not कि जब तक मेरे ब्रेन को
ठूसते
वो
रहो.
satisfaction नहीं मिलता.
Mm-hmm.
और बेसिकली हम सब वैसे ही करते हैं.
Correct.
ब्रेन को जब तक सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता मैं एक और चिकन का पीस एक और बाइट ऑफ राइस खा लेता हूँ
Mm-hmm.
तब तो ब्रेन को सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलेगा
Mm-hmm.
बट एकदम when you try
Momos doesn't
out of
come under sattvic.
भाई
Mo-
मोमोज तो
Yeah, Momos is like the purest form of Purest form of peace. Momos. Chill hai bhai.
I will also not argue with this.
Yeah, there is an exception to all. Momos तो दिल के करीब है
More
bro.
acceptable.
Yeah, yeah.
वो
Another
जितने फन है
Delhi
खाओ,
thing.
all big 10 time viewers.
Yeah, yeah.
जल्दी आके खाओ.
It's a
हाँ.
Delhi thing. हाँ, but हाँ, continue. बाकी का.
So next is Rajasic food. Sattvic is like sitting food, calm food. Next is Rajasic food, Raja food, Rajasic. Basically, it constitutes foods which are passion inducing, like spicy foods, like let's say a lot of chana ki dal and mainly protein rich foods do come under not necessarily but do come under Rajasic. जैसे we can say दाल जो होती है uh, chicken also in small quantities and meat does come under Rajasic because it is passion inducing. It will make you want to do things like a Raja. Work of a king is to govern and his subjects and also to rule. You need passion and creativity for that. तो अगर पैशन है तो क्रिएटिविटी है.
Correct.
यूजली पीपल से कि जिसका एक डोमिनेंट नेचर होता है. You think आपका एक you have a Rajasic nature. Mostly the kind of foods that we are eating is Rajasic nature in nature. So Rajasic nature dominating personality. If you think that you need creativity, but at the same time you need calmness, but at the same time you need passion. Eat more Sattvic and Rajasic foods. All the viewers can research on what Sattvic Rajasic is. I'll not explain it. So passion inducing. Right? Will give you the will to do things. Now, the third type of food is tamasic food. It is sleep inducing and it is tiring. Again, sleep is a good thing, but
But
you feel
पूरा
tired
टाइम
of
तो
the
नहीं
night.
सोते रहोगे ना. हाँ, correct.
Right. Afternoons में नहीं सोना चाहिए. We sleep in the afternoons, right?
Correct.
This is
बहुत
an
ज्यादा.
Indian thing. खाना खा के सो
दोपहर
जाओ.
दोपहर की नींद
हमारे
जरूरी होती
हमारे
है.
पेरेंट्स सोते हैं.
हाँ, हाँ. अरे लाइक मेरे तो
हाँ,
बचपन से बताया गया लाइक स्कूल से आओ लंच करो एंड जस्ट मम्मी तो ऐसे
गलत बात.
जान के आई नेवर यूज्ड टू स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून. मैं बड़ा वैसे टाइप का बच्चा था क्योंकि शाम को खेलने जाना है एंड आई डोंट नो. मम्मी यूज्ड टू मेक मी स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून के डूड चिल आउट तो रात को फिर जल्दी सो जाएगा.
वही तो.
इट्स
वही
समथिंग लाइक
तो.
दिस. हाँ तो हाँ कंटिन्यू की बोइंग. हाँ कि दोपहर को नहीं सोना चाहिए. करेक्ट.
That's not that's not necessary. तेरे को नींद नहीं आ रही तो क्यों सोएगा?
नहीं सो बट वो
Only when like body wants something. Like people say कि body wants something, it will give you a signal. So my body won't sleep all the time.
नहीं बट नहीं ठीक ना वैसे लाइक इफ आई लाइक ड्यूरिंग मतलब मेरा तो ऐसे ही होता था एग्जाम्स के टाइम जब भी पढ़ने का टाइम होता था ना आई यूज टू फील स्लीपी. ठीक है एंड देयर वर डेज के पूरा दिन ही नींद आती थी. नॉट नेसेसरीली एग्जाम टाइम्स बट देर आर डेज ना व्हेन यू फील लाइक स्लीपी ऑल द टाइम. ठीक है वो उस टाइम पे हमारी बायो मैम भी कहती थी कि यू आर ईटिंग लाइक बैड लाइक क्या कार्बोहाइड्रेट का ज़्यादा खाना एंड नॉट प्रोटीन रिच फूड. ठीक है तो उस टाइम से आई स्टार्टेड नोटिसिंग कि हाँ मे बी देर इज समथिंग बिकॉज आई चेंज माई डाइट आफ्टर दैट. लाइक थोड़े अंडे वंडे खाने शुरू कर दिए मैंने. आई कि मैंने वो मैगी कम कर दी थोड़ी थोड़ी. ठीक है मैगी तब भी खाई तो बट हाँ कीप गोइंग. हाउ डज इट इफेक्ट और हाउ डज इट मेक इट स्लीप एंड
So
ऑल.
basically, that what your bio teacher did say is also very correct. Again, I will come to that sleep after meal aspect later because that is a different topic. But feeling sleepy all the time is because of your food. Mostly, why do I feel tired and sleepy and I have no will to do anything all the time? Most people ask this question. Try with changing again. बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे depression and that is not I like that is different. I am saying what I've tried and that is different. Please go to a mental health counselor or whatever. So
Check out the
disclaimer
psychology podcast, episode 4, season 1. I'll keep plugging in the different podcasts जो काम के.
अभी ताकि कितने टाइम स्टैम्प्स आते हैं टाइम स्टैम्प्स आ जाएंगे.
हाँ साइड पे आ जाए. Check out the psychology podcast if you have some mental health issues. हाँ keep going.
Yeah. So
Why
basically,
do
tamas nature because of your mainly if you feel tired and you don't know why, try changing your food habits. Try reading about these 3 things and try incorporating them into your life. So basically, you also said one thing कि मेरे को पूरे टाइम खाना खाते समय नींद आती रहती थी. मेरे को भी आती थी. आई हेट वही 12th में तो बहुत नींद आई है. बहुत बीच में बुक पे सो जाते हैं ऑब्वियसली. Mostly, I noticed in college that when I started eating purely sattvic and rajasic foods, I don't feel sleepy. एक time I used to sleep for 3 hours or 2 hours and I used to be okay with it. People say 3 hours 2 hours that is detrimental to the body, ये वो. But if I am up,
Hmm.
क्या problem है?
Correct. But that's what I used to do, but like not because diet change and all. Because I think what you're saying is very, clean. मैं
हाँ.
कॉफी बहुत पीता था, तो उस वजह से I used to make
I
myself.
also still drink coffee a lot.
Yeah.
Like I
अच्छा हाँ,
have
what is
that
coffee? Is it like sattvic
coffee
and all?
Rajasic.
Okay.
Coffee is part like no food is purely sattvic or rajasic, but
Hmm.
it is tamasic. Some people say it's tamasic, some people say it's rajasic.
What about
So
chai?
like
I'm drinking chai at what 11:50 right now. The chai is more of Ayurveda part of it, right? Because pattiyan, I don't know, but I would like to
Pati,
promote chai.
it is a stimulant. So all stimulants do come under Rajasic nature. But excess of anything, rose
Hmm.
chai pina is tamasic. So basically it's
रोज
tamasic.
एक कप
हाँ.
चाय तू भी ताम से हट यार आई
नहीं,
बट
रोज
आई
तो थोड़ी पी सकता है.
हम्म
Again, to notice कर like removing chai. Again, these things can be noticed on their own.
हम्म
Remove chai for a few days. Totally
हम्म
avoid it. And
हम्म
then notice the body goes. Like I drink coffee maybe once in 3 days. I do drink.
हम्म
बट बिकॉज समटाइम्स आई वांट बट ये नहीं कि मेरी रोज की हैबिट बन गई. अगर हैबिट बन गई है तो फिर तामसिक बन जाता
करेक्ट
है. इफ यू
हैबिट
वांट
नहीं
टू स्टे अवे चाय
मन
से
करता है
तो पी सकता है.
मैं नहीं मेरे को आई रिमूव चाय कम्प्लीटली पास्ट मंथ आई बीन लाइक डाइटिंग लाइक प्रॉपर ठीक है थोड़ा वेट लॉस एंड
हाँ.
ऑल तो उसमें आई रिमूव चाय कम्प्लीटली ठीक है आई स्टार्टेड ड्रिंकिंग मिल्क एवरी डे ठीक है बिकॉज मैं मिल्क बचपन में बिल्कुल पिया नहीं दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट हैव मसल और
बात
हाइट
है.
मिल्क इज ओके
हाँ.
लाइक स्टफ
मिल्क
लाइक गुड
सात्विक
स्टफ
नहीं
लाइक
होते.
सात्विक राइट
Milk is like the pure, like, let me also explain the biology of milk and honey. Milk and honey are very good things. I've totally cut off white sugar because it is the worst thing you can eat. I think all dietitians say
हाँ
white
sugar
sugar
is
is
like
poison.
cocaine भाई apparently it's worse than
Sugar is
cocaine it's
cocaine. Yes,
yeah
it's worse
हाँ
than.
हम्म
I just cut white sugar,
हम्म
but I have replaced it with honey. Let me
हम्म
also look at how the biology of honey and milk.
हम्म
Milk is made for, although our bodies are not made to digest milk, but we have developed a gene to digest milk over time. Because
अच्छा
dearth of resources of our ancestors, early man. तो हमें
हम्म
लगा cow है, milk मिल रहा है, we will use it to our advantage. It has all the nutrients, but milk is made only because when a baby is born, it is not able to, its digestive system is not evolved, grown enough to digest normal food like
हम्म
us. So
correct
that is why I've given milk in a very easily digestible form. But
हम्म
it is too light on the stomach. So that's why lactose intolerance is a very common thing. Most of the
हम्म
people don't have that gene to digest baby's milk. So we are not like we are not supposed to be drinking milk, but we've developed the immunity over time.
हम्म
Like
बट लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस
also
इज
about
इजंट इट लाइक मिल्क से ज़्यादा सिंपल कुछ है नहीं तो हाउ लाइक हाउ डू पीपल मेरे को तो पहले तो स्टार्टिंग में आई फेल्ट कि पीपल आर वेरी प्रिटेंशियस ठीक है कि लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस क्या होता है भाई दूध ही तो है पी लो इट्स लाइक इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटेंशियस
it's just
बीमारी
a
भाई
mind thing, dude. Get over it.
yeah I never could किया भाई
Just
आइसक्रीम
tolerate
नहीं खा सकते it just tolerated lactose intolerant just tolerated भाई like
it.
that's a real thing like I've come to terms with it कि आइसक्रीम नहीं खा सकते दही नहीं खा सकते पनीर नहीं खा सकते क्यों क्योंकि भाई नहीं गैस हो जाती है पेट में लाइक गैस नॉर्मल होता है मेरे को तो हर तरह की पेट की बीमारी होती है भाई एवरी वीक इट्स लाइक अ थिंग विद मी भाई कि कभी कुछ लूज मोशन हो गया कभी कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो गया कभी कुछ हो गया तो आई एम यूज टू ऑल ठीक है इनडाइजेशन इतना होता है ना वो जो जलता है ऐसे यहाँ पे इट्स लाइक एसिडिटी दैट्स सच अ कॉमन दैट्स लाइक एवरी डे फॉर मी ठीक है इतने पराठे चाहिए पे बटर के साथ मैंने इट्स लाइक सेकंड लाइक पीपल आर मेरी
अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसीलिए होता है बट
वही ना इट्स लाइक बट जस्ट टॉलरेट इट ब्रो ठीक है पूरा दिन ऐसे लाइक अनकंफर्टेबल रहेगा बट नाउ आई हैव चेंज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट द होल थिंग ग्रोइंग
yes
अप
you have.
दैट्स मैच्योरिंग हाँ बट या कीप गोइंग सॉरी मैं थोड़ा रैंट कर दिया
सही हो तो अपने पर्सनल इश्यूज टॉक टॉक कर सकते हैं ताकि ऑडियंस रिलेट कर पाए ना.
हाँ करेक्ट
तो
करेक्ट
also I was talking about why milk is sattvic in nature. Milk
हम्म
is very good thing to drink. If you're not lactose intolerant, you can have occasionally milk. Please, accordingly, please everything, if possible, try to research it according to an Ayurveda way. Because milk, क्या बोलते हैं, you should not drink, have curd or lassi at night. These
या
are
मेरी
different
मॉम भी
types
लगी
of. हाँ. और पहले मेरी मॉम बोलते थे क्या बकवास है, कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, मतलब कुछ
ये
भी
लाइक
बोल
रात
रहे
को
हो.
कि क्या फर्क पड़ता सुबह खा रहा हूँ रात को
हाँ,
खा रहा
रात
हूँ
को और सुबह में फर्क क्या है,
या
ठीक है.
एग्जैक्टली
But like बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है. If you eat certain foods at night, they will cause a lot of pain.
Mm-hmm.
And
Why
I've
is that
noticed this
वैसे?
myself.
नहीं but I have seen कि
Because
people,
yeah,
you're not supposed to have
uh,
heavy dinners because रात
yes,
को you're not
so
exercising and using calories so that food like energy gets stored and all कि fat बन
no,
जाता है something like that.
that is not the reason. I think it's because like during the day, I have understood this from a very early man point of view.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, as primate. So
Mm-hmm.
what we used to do is hunt during the day and sleep at night.
Correct.
So during the day, our digestive enzymes are very active because we used to hunt and eat on site. This is what my explanation is.
Mm-hmm.
And if you notice, whenever you eat a very heavy meal at night, तुम्हें पूरी रात bloating रहेगी and indigestion. So basically, it's like so what like not Ayurveda. I'm not talking in terms of Ayurveda, but pure allopathy also says that digestive enzymes, as the sun, and Ayurveda says that as the sun rises, and when it
Mm-hmm.
is at the top point in the sky, afternoon में around 12 to 1 के time, that is the best time to have a meal because then your digestive enzymes are most active.
Mm-hmm.
The digestion enzymes are called Agni in Ayurveda. That is
Agni.
when your Agni is very active. Yeah, पेट की
Mm-hmm.
Agni. And when as the sun goes down, evening रात तक, your digestive enzymes are not active.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think it has to do with vitamin D. Again, it's not been fully researched, but it is a total real thing.
Mm-hmm.
That is why पेट की अग्नि सबसे क्या that's why they say if you heard this phrase eat breakfast like a king,
Ah,
dinner
yeah. Mm-hmm.
like but eat breakfast like a king does not mean you eat a lot.
Correct.
If they
Sleep.
eat breakfast like a king, that means be very choosy with your breakfast because the sun has not risen to the maximum like highest height पे नहीं है सबसे
Mm-hmm.
peak पे नहीं है sun. So
Mm-hmm.
eat breakfast very choosy and have very nutritional things in breakfast. Don't
Mm-hmm.
have a lot. But they say
So
eat a
break
lot in
नहीं
lunch.
but eggs and breakfast are like a very वो thing के breakfast and eggs and all but you are vegetarian now right vegan I don't know
No, no, I also have a story behind this. I am not vegetarian anymore. I've been vegetarian for 1 year, but I'm not vegetarian anymore. I'm back to being a non-vegetarian.
अच्छा
And I have a
मतलब
story behind why. I
हम्म
explained how sattvic, rajasic, and tamasic foods are there, right?
हम्म
So I thought that, again, people will say that how that you're not being vegetarian or non-vegetarian because of environmental concerns, or people mostly turn vegan because of environmental concerns, right?
right
Also, veganism is a very bad thing. I don't support
what is the
veganism.
difference like let's just talk about vegetarianism versus veganism
हाँ,
because I never really like knew the difference क्या क्या फर्क होता है vegetarian और veganism में
vegetarianism is you eat milk products, like animal derived products like milk and honey.
तो कुछ भी नहीं
Vegetarian,
मतलब फिर तो क्या दाल खाते हो
vegan
बस
means vegan means just the nuts, fruits, vegetables, dal,
damn.
pulses, all.
Yeah, but apparently it's very healthy. Like I've like seen a couple of people who are like
It is.
vegan. But
I have another explanation for this. In India, the thing is, why have we banned? I have understood why we have banned beef in India.
correct,
It is because like mostly what is done in India, cows are sacred. So
sacred.
what is done whenever a cow gives birth to a calf, mammary glands or what are active. So
Mm-hmm.
what is done is पहले calf को because it's sacred calf को सबसे पहले they give the milk.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly it's done that way in India.
Mm-hmm.
Again, some people from PETA will agree that ऐसा नहीं होता है. Might not happen, but
Mm-hmm.
Indian milk is called A1 milk, and all milk in other countries is A2 milk. Misses a certain
What's the difference
enzyme from
क्या? अच्छा इंडिया में
Indian
अच्छा अलग होता है.
A2
Mm-hmm.
India में A2 milk. I'm not sure. Google कर लेना. It's A1
Mm-hmm.
or A2 in India, and
Mm-hmm.
the other one in all other countries.
Mm-hmm.
It is because that cows in India are treated with so much love and affection, and they are not filled with, induced with drugs and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So they give purest milk. And what is milk? Ultimately, it's like uh, a mother's food to a child, given in the
Whatever.
most.
Like that's not really thought about it.
It is
uh,
a mother nourish the
correct.
child, is meant for the
Mm-hmm.
calf.
Mm-hmm.
Given in the most lovable way. I also talk about honey in the same way.
Mm-hmm.
It is given in the most lovable way. I think you can say that again, it's not science backed up, so please, everyone, please keep an open mind whenever you are watching this.
Mm-hmm.
But the more milk you drink, It is sattvic in nature, so it will make you calmer and will induce uh, more love towards nature or love towards life in general for you.
The life
Milk
energy thing.
food, हाँ,
Hmm.
life energy
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
also. Milk is a life-inducing food. Why? Basically, like what powers us, right? Like an electrical energy powers a robot, a certain life energy powers us.
Hmm, hmm.
तो वो लाइफ एनर्जी कौन से फूड से मिलती है विच हैव लाइफ एंड
And
डेड
in
फूड
that,
से नहीं मिलती. That
oh,
is
तो
why
non-veg
good
से नहीं मिलती
food
होगी.
that we eat. Yes,
Hmm.
non-veg will help you build protein, muscle, whatever.
Hmm, hmm.
ठीक है, बट इट इज हेल्पिंग यू बिल्ड योर बॉडी. बट एक सर्टन एनर्जी होती है, लाइफ एनर्जी,
Hmm.
ब्रेन एनर्जी, उसको कहते हैं कुंडलिनी. इट्स कॉल्ड लाइफ फोर्स एनर्जी, कुंडलिनी इन आयुर्वेदा और स्पिरिचुअलिटी. So that Kundalini is also creative energy. So that can be traveled, like transformed into creative energy in the brain if you know
Hmm.
how to do it.
Hmm,
Which
hmm.
again, it can be done through meditation.
Hmm,
Lots
hmm.
of ways.
Hmm, hmm.
Just Google. I just ask all viewers to Google Kundalini meditation and all chakra meditation.
Kundalini. Yeah, okay. Check
Yeah.
out
See what
the
happens.
Kundalini meditation and chakra meditation.
मैं बोल दूँ.
हाँ तू बोल मैं के हाँ. हम्म,
Like it can be, you can, I can see that food can bring you in any state of mind. If you want creative,
हम्म,
तुम creative हो सकते हो. You think I am not a creative person, food can help you be creative if you eat the right food.
हम्म.
I will come. I've spoken about sattva, rajas, and tamas, right? Also, according to you should. There is also another thing in Ayurveda called body type. I look at you. I think your body type is pith because you did in like there are three body types,
Food is
or you
pith.
can say, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. It's complicated. I'll explain. Basically,
हम्म,
there are three types of body types. One is
हम्म,
Vat. They're called doshas. Like you have a predominant dosha. Mostly people will say try to balance all these three so that like your body is in the perfect optimal state. But
हम्म,
कुछ लोगों का थोड़ा हमारा आउट ऑफ बैलेंस होता है in general.
हम्म,
So there is one Vat dosha, Pith dosha, and Kaph dosha.
हम्म.
Vata dosha is mainly individuals who you see mostly. I'm saying not all the time, but mostly एकदम पतले होते हैं.
अच्छा.
I think like people who you see who have a very thin frame, like people who are very thin in nature, are mostly Vata dosha.
अबे देयर आर सम
Uh,
पीपल आल्सो ना कि जो आदि तो सेम पीपल जो
aggressive,
बहुत खाते हैं और बिल्कुल मोटे नहीं होते समथिंग. हाँ हाँ.
mainly mostly Vata dosha.
Blessed people man. हम्म.
Yeah, and if you look at then I think you're Pitta dosha, which is like can gain weight easily, but it can also lose weight easily.
Yeah.
Mostly muscular,
हम्म.
mostly muscular frame, mostly like the Punjabi person
Yeah.
described.
अबे the thing is कि I was yesterday I was talking to my dad. ठीक है तो I अभी खुदा की उसमें से दो एब्स आ गई मेरी. ठीक है सो माई बॉडी थोड़ा सा फ्लैट ऊपर से बट नीचे देर इज बेली फैट का एक लेयर. ठीक है तो मैं डैड को कह रहा हूँ
हाँ है.
पापा ये इसका क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं. वो रहेगा
हाँ,
बेटा वो तो रहेगा वो हमारे परिवार का ट्रेडमार्क है वो नहीं जाएगा. तू कुछ भी कर ले वो नहीं जाने का. तो दैट्स लाइक वो हाँ दैट्स माई बॉडी टाइप. ठीक है दैट्स अ पंजाबी बॉडी टाइप. पिथ
yeah,
पिथ समथिंग
yeah.
क्या पिथ दोषा.
Pitta, Pitta dosha.
हम्म.
Mostly like it is associated with fire. Mostly Pitta people have like a lot of passion to do something in life. Mostly
Okay.
very passionate people.
हम्म.
मेरे को लग रहा है तू पिता है, तू दोषा टेस्ट ले
सब्सक्राइब.
लेना, दोषा
हम्म.
टेस्ट ऑनलाइन.
हम्म.
So according to your body type,
There's a
Ayurveda
dosha
also tells
test
you.
also कि तेरा body
हाँ,
अच्छा damn this is a
हाँ,
advanced क्या आयुर्वेदा.
yeah.
advanced आयुर्वेदा क्या ऑनलाइन होते हैं वेबसाइट्स होती हैं इनकी दोषा
एक
टेस्ट
तो
डॉट
सर्च कर दोषा टेस्ट.
that's a real thing
देखो
मेरे
वेबसाइट का नाम है, वेबसाइट आ जाएगी.
को. damn यार this is good. हाँ हाँ keep going. What else पित्त के बाद.
And then पित्त के बाद कफ दोषा. Mostly people, and you must have noticed that you don't really like, मतलब you're used to summer अगर तू दिल्ली में रह रहा है, but you don't like summer season. You prefer winter season
I do.
bit more. बस I guess
Man he
this
knows
much.
everything. What is this. हाँ हाँ.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And then there is kaf dosha. Mostly it is difficult for kaf dosha people to lose weight.
Okay.
And they are more stagnant energy and they are more calm in nature. They love the winter season.
Because fat ज़्यादा होता है बॉडी पे. I don't know. I'm just assuming कि fat
I
से
do, I
गर्म
do,
रहता
I
है.
have never seen that.
Yeah, I'm
Being
trying to
kaf
relate.
dosha is not a bad thing.
हम्म
Mostly our aim is to balance all three doshas like similar equal होने चाहिए.
not too
तो
patla,
like
not
I
too mota,
said,
something like that.
हाँ, मेनली लाइक एवरी डोसा का नेचर तुम्हें होना चाहिए.
हम्म
प्रीडोमिनेंट होता है बट लाइक मोस्टली ट्राई टू बैलेंस. सो एवरी फूड लाइक इट इज राजसिक तामसिक और सात्विक इन नेचर, इट इज ऑल्सो दोषा इंड्यूसिंग इन नेचर. लाइक दो, some will aggravate the pith dosha, some will aggravate vata dosha, and some will aggregate kapha dosha. So basically, if you take a dosha test and you realize that you're too dominant in a dosha, वो तुम्हें दिखाएगा तुम्हारी dominancy कितनी है in a particular dosha.
dosha test, man.
Okay.
This is
Let's say कि
amazing.
you may not be able to lose weight very quickly. तुम्हारा weight के बहुत problems है.
हम्म
Then you might be very high in kapha dosha. You're
ओके.
also
अच्छा,
kapha
उसमें
dosha
भी
people
लेवल,
are.
सब लेवल्स हैं लाइक दोशा
हाँ,
के अंदर भी, कि यूर लाइक सुपर कफ दोशा और सुपर पित्त दोशा और समथिंग लाइक
वही. You might be too dominant. Like you may be vata pith और kapha
दैट.
dosh. और sorry, kapha pith और dosha test ले लेना.
ले
तो
लेना. चेक फॉर योरसेल्फ. सही बात है. हम्म
But once you notice that if you eat very Ayurvedic, then food will बता देगा which food is best for you. Like let's say, are you allergic to some food?
आई एम इन, नो आई एम नॉट. मेरे को बस केला खाने से पेट दर्द होता है कभी कभी, बट वो मैं बस इसलिए, मेरे को केला पसंद नहीं है तो मैं
रात
मॉम को
को
बोलता
खाते
हूँ
हैं
कि
तो पेट दर्द होता है.
हाँ.
केला रात को खाते हैं तो पेट दर्द होता है.
हाँ. हाँ, वो मेरी, हाँ, मेरी मॉम ने भी कहा कि रात को नहीं खाना चाहिए केला.
Shit,
लाइक
I'm
थिंग.
becoming a mom.
हाँ, नहीं, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि हाउ डज यू नो, वो क्रीपी.
हाँ,
बट
yeah.
नहीं, बट नहीं, केला वैसे मेरे को इन जनरल पसंद भी नहीं. अच्छा, आई डोंट लाइक मीठा फूड, ठीक है. आई डोंट नो, लाइक
Yes.
आई एम वेरी लाइक, आई लव जंक फूड एंड ऑल, बट आई कैन नॉट लाइक आइसक्रीम एंड चॉकलेट एंड ऑल, पीपल लाइक इट. मेरे को ठीक लगता है, ऐसा नहीं कि आई हेट इट, बट आई डोंट ईट इट अलॉट, ठीक है. कि एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट केप्ट मी फ्रॉम बीइंग ओबीस इन लाइफ, ठीक है. इतना जंक फूड खा के भी मैं अगर एकदम ऐसे कद्दू नहीं हुआ, इज जस्ट बिकॉज कि मैंने ये एकदम ऐसे ये अनहेल्दी चीज लाइक केक एंड आइसक्रीम एंड एवरीथिंग, आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक इट. आई डोंट लाइक स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन इट ऑल्सो. इससे अच्छा मोमोज की एक प्लेट खा लो, ठीक
Good.
है.
That's a good thing. It
मतलब
depends on your dosha also. Like your pith dosha, so mostly you like spicy and
या,
hot
आई डू
chutney, like
चटपटा
Delhi
फूड.
food.
ये डेली फूड,
हाँ,
नॉट
yeah,
गुजरात फूड.
yeah.
बट
But that's also a bad thing
हाउ, हाँ, मतलब
because you
ऑब्वियसली
don't.
कुछ भी ज्यादा
हाँ,
विल बी अ बैड थिंग.
yeah, because you mostly get angry. You have no patience. By I am
करेक्ट.
not calling you out.
नहीं नहीं, बट सही है.
Yeah, I'm saying that all of that can be controlled with food. You will notice getting more patient with food. Why I started the story of why I started non-vegetarian food back, because I left vegetarian food for a year. It's because I lacked passion. I thought
अच्छा.
my food was too sattvic
हम्म
or either tamasic. So like I was like either eating junk foods for 1 week, then I used to eat only fruits and like just pure foods for a week. So then I thought I needed passion inducing food in life क्योंकि पढ़ाई करनी है बहुत कुछ चीजें करनी. So that's why people will say, "Oh, you're not true to nature." Or
नहीं, बट इज इट ऑल्सो लाइक, मेरे को तो वैसे ही, मेरे को ऐसे लाइक आई डोंट लाइक, आई हैव एन ओपन माइंड एंड ऑल, बट आई स्टिल फील कि कि योर पर्सनैलिटी इज योर पर्सनैलिटी. अब लाइक व्हाट यू सेइंग इज माई लाइक, ऑब्वियसली इतना रिसर्च हुआ इसके पीछे, इतने लोगों ने किया तो कुछ तो हुआ है. बट स्टफ लाइक हैविंग पैशन इन लाइफ, आई डोंट थिंक इतना भी ज़्यादा डिपेंड करता होगा खाने पे, इंस्टेड ऑफ
इतना ज्यादा डिपेंड नहीं करता. But
मतलब.
mostly people will say कि I used to be passionate but I lost it. और देखो, if you are okay with the way you are तो कोई problem नहीं. But if
करेक्ट.
you say I lack passion, but at the same time you just don't have the will to get out of bed, then I will say that start trying and start eating the foods that you want.
हाँ, लाइक ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज अगर तुम, इफ यू हैड समथिंग एंड अब नहीं है, तो वो तो तुम्हारी हैबिट्स की, जैसे हैबिट खराब हो गई है,
हाँ,
तुम समथिंग लाइक
वही.
दैट. नहीं, बट जैसे लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, मेरे को तो लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल आउट, नॉट बाय नेम्स, बट ये पीपल के ब्लेम देयर शिटी बिहेवियर ऑन देयर हॉरोस्कोप्स एंड शिट, कि भाई आई एम दिस, ये इसके महीना है जो भी है, एंड दे डोंट
हाँ,
लाइक, वो आई डोंट रियली बिलीव ऑल दिस के, कि they just put their behavior on something that is not
yeah.
real or not visible, ठीक है. कि
They don't take accountability for their own like
yeah,
things.
taking accountability would be कि हाँ, मतलब own up to your वो thing कि you may be not passionate, और लाइफ में कुछ करो, तुम खुद ही हार्डो करो वो सब. बट
Very good
हाँ.
thing कि मतलब again you're talking about like horoscopes and stuff, right? Obviously, I don't read horoscopes, and I mean, कभी कभी पढ़ लेता है.
It's like it's
But
something
I
like कि
think
अच्छा अच्छी चीज लिखी है तो हम मान लेंगे, ठीक है, you will
that
have a good
was
day
yes,
today. हम्म.
but like it does hold some logic. That's a conversation for a different. Like let me say कि like you've seen your parents fast during Navratri. Let us talk about Ramzan and Navratri fast.
Correct.
And सारे religions, almost all religions, I don't know about Christianity, but most religions, Jainism, Buddhism, promote fasting. And if people say that fasting is so unhealthy, why are all religions promoting fasting? There must be some logic behind it. Mostly, if you look at like again, these things are not backed by science. I always say yet they're not backed by science yet because we don't know enough science to back them up. हम
Correct.
खुद ही research कर रहे हैं. So mostly during Navratri time, it is possible that the moon's influence on the earth is so high and it is in a certain position that we don't know. It will like naturally reduce your hunger. So I was that kind of a person who would say I will never fast on Navratri और मतलब मैं non-veg खाऊंगा. I don't care. मेरे parents को ऐसा करने दो. But now that I started like not eating and like
चाटा बड़ा.
being very conscious,
अच्छा
नहीं चाटा नहीं पड़ता था. My parents said, "You do whatever you want."
अच्छा अच्छा.
But अब मैं खुद ही नहीं करता. I did this Navratri. I used to fast a lot, and I noticed that I had high energy all the time because I was not eating food. I had high energy, and I used to feel great. And when I used to eat something, it used to feel very heavy on the stomach. So again, only during this Navratra phase. And after Navratra phase got over, I was okay. I was back to eating healthy.
What's the logic कि moon पास में उससे भूख नहीं लगती? Is it something like that?
It is like I am not particularly fully sure about the logic. Again, people should not fast on their own कि कुछ भी नहीं खा रहे. Please read about it and consult someone before you do it. But you're not like mostly like I'll tell you one thing. If the moon can influence tides, it
Correct.
can influence our nature and body in some way. High tide, low tide, influence कर सकता है. So that is mainly the logic. Like mostly because I meditate a lot, so I have this ability. I'm not flexing or anything, but I mostly when I meditate, I can even without looking outside, I can tell whether today is a full moon or not.
Wow, man. Is it like,
Yeah.
do you know? Oh, wow. Okay, cool. How
Like
do you
I
know
am
that?
very meditative in nature, very high. Like मेरे दिमाग एकदम ऐसे ऊपर लिफ्ट हो जाता है, and I know I'm not able to sleep on a full moon. बहुत मुश्किल से मेरे को नींद आती है, and then I can look outside and tell me it's a full moon. So
Damn,
like
damn, damn.
you will when you get very sensitive towards your body, abhi because we are eating crap, we are not sensitive about how our body feels. हम कुछ भी खाते हैं वो digest हो जाते हैं, बाहर निकल जाते हैं.
बाहर निकलना.
But
Correct.
when you get very sensitive, at the same time you get sensitive towards what you eat, you will also get sensitive towards your emotions. When you eat something, you know कि मैंने ये खाया है, इसके बाद मेरे को full concentration है. Like I hate engineering subjects. I love CS. So I don't want to sit down and study chemistry
But
in my
करना
first year.
सेम ब्रो.
करना पड़ता
Literally, ईडी
तो
इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग क्यों करते हैं यार? मेरे को समझ नहीं आता. हम लोग सीएस वाले
क्यों करते हो?
क्यों करते हैं भाई?
जरूरत नहीं है,
उसमें भी
बकवास
लेटरिंग.
इंजीनियरिंग सिस्टम है.
It's just the stupidest
तो
subject. Like हाँ कि we'll just come back. हाँ because
वो
डिस करने
सीरियस
लग जाएंगे
सब्जेक्ट
इंजीनियरिंग को. सीधा इंजीनियरिंग को डिस करने लग जाएंगे. Everybody is sick
है.
of it.
But like when I eat certain food, I sit down to study engineering drawing. I can't study it. I don't know why, but मेरे अंदर like मेरे को नींद नहीं आती. मेरे concentration full है. And पहले I used to study anything in 12th. नींद आते रहती.
Correct.
Basically, and the only thing I've changed is my lifestyle choices because meditate तो मैं तब भी करता था, अभी भी करता हूँ. My food choice. Also, I've started eating less. And people will say, what? That is a bad thing. But like leaving your stomach empty, let us discuss what do you think hunger is?
नहीं मेरे को लाइक डू यू मतलब मैंने अभी जो आई ऑल्सो रिड्यूस माई डाइट एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक थोड़ा कम किया है. बट आई गो बाय द नंबर्स के मतलब आई फीड इन माई फोन की कैलोरी कितना है वो सब. ठीक है.
मैं भी यही करता था. myfitnesspal.com dude.
हाँ नहीं बट नहीं वो लाइक डिड यू लाइक इज दैट अ गुड थिंग और डिड यू लाइक जस्ट कि दिमाग से कि जितना पेट भरा उतना ही खाना है लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट और डिड यू. हाँ बोल।
पहले I what I used to do was because someone had told me, so I had interpreted it wrongly कि बहुत अच्छे से खाना खाओ, पेट भर के खा लो,
हम्म
and eat healthy foods. But healthy food भी खाओ पेट भर के. I don't know why who told me this, but I don't remember. So I
हम्म
used to eat a lot.
हम्म
And also, मुझे one heard one advice जो वो जो बेकार की वेबसाइट पे आती है कि eat small and frequent meals.
दैट इज बुलशिट। वो तो मेरे को आई डोंट,
हाँ,
या व्हाट द हेल इज दैट। वो
I
इवन दीज डाइटिशियंस आल्सो काफी रिकमेंड ऑल दिस के के ईट स्मॉल मील्स,
I
5-6 मील्स अ डे, व्हाट द फक दैट डजंट वर्क बाय द वे। ठीक है, आई जस्ट इफ यू सिट बैठ खाने
yeah.
खाने बैठना है तो अच्छे से खाओ, अगर खाना है तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक
वही exactly. Mainly like Ayurveda says that eat 3 meals a day. Eat जो टाइम में भूख लगती है उस टाइम में अच्छे से खाओ. बट ये भी नहीं कि मन भर के खाओ पेट भर के. लाइक तुम्हें
ओह
लगेगा तुम्हें फील होगा that I want to have one more bite of this thing. But your stomach will already signal you that I'm not hungry. You should leave it at that.
करेक्ट।
And that is why we come to the point of why do we feel sleepy after meals? After mainly Punjabi people. Sleep after meals.
या स्लीप आफ्टर,
Yeah.
अबे इवन
मेरी फैमिली सोती है.
अबे यू हैव आलू के पराठे विद मीठी लस्सी, आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, यू विल स्लीप ऐसे डब करके सो जाएगा तू। ठीक है, आलू के पराठे
Yes.
छोले भटूरे खा भाई तू, ऐसी ही नींद आ जाती है ब्रो। वो लाइक आई एम नॉट, ब्रेकफास्ट में खा नींद आ जाएगी तेरे। हाँ,
वही तो.
it's like
So
I
that
don't
is
know. Even
हाँ
after buffets and all, के you have like
हाँ
so much food के like belt खोल के buffet
exactly.
चेप रहे हो, पैसे पूरे करने हैं, and then you come back home
हाँ.
and you just drop के भाई बहुत नींद। It's I don't know, हाँ क्या क्यों, why do you feel so sleepy?
Logic logic of food is to give us energy and मेरे को नींद आती है. That is so bullshit.
हम्म
The only time we should feel sleepy is at night. I'm not kidding.
हम्म
Sleepy or tired is at night because that
हम्म
is when that is when we're supposed to sleep.
correct।
So basically, like I have a scientific I have studied the science behind this also. Basically, it's because we eat too much carbs in a meal. Mainly,
Isn't
क्योंकि
carb
क्या
supposed
होता
to
है
give you energy?
yes, but I'll let you know.
हम्म
Carbs, तू एक रोटी खाएगा. I
हम्म
mean, we like experiment this. If you
हम्म
eat one roti, you will not feel sleepy. Two rotis, you will not feel sleepy. When you eat three rotis in a meal, you will feel sleepy.
हम्म
Because like what I'll tell you why. Whenever we eat anything, be it carbs or anything, it has a certain sugar to it or energy to it. So our blood sugar levels raise.
हम्म
And what happens is we use insulin, like our pancreas release insulin to combat blood sugar.
हम्म
तो अगर हम दो रोटी खा रहे हैं और हमें दो रोटी की ही जरूरत है फॉर एनर्जी फॉर द नेक्स्ट आई डोंट नो 3 or 4 hours.
हम्म
तो उससे ज्यादा व्हेन वी ईट दैट मींस देयर इज एक्सेस शुगर इन आवर बॉडी.
correct।
And what insulin does is stabilizes blood sugar to bring it to normal levels. क्योंकि हमने रोटी खाई हमारी ब्लड शुगर हाई हो जाती है. तो हमारी ब्लड शुगर यूजली 100 के आसपास नॉर्मल होती है. इट विल रिलीज पैंक्रियास विल रिलीज सो मच इंसुलिन टू ब्रिंग ब्लड शुगर डाउन टू 100.
correct।
एंड इसमें समटाइम्स इट ओवर रिलीजेस इंसुलिन which
शुगर
will
है।
get your blood sugars low. क्योंकि हमने
अच्छा।
कुछ ज्यादा ही कार्ब खा लिया to overcompensate for it, it will over release insulin.
हम्म
And because low blood sugar का symptom is sleep.
स्लीप, या तो नींद
हाँ
आती है।
नींद आती है.
मेक
Basically
सेंस।
we are eating food का. Yeah.
हाँ नहीं, अच्छा, you were talking about empty stomach and hunger, what's the
हाँ.
yeah, what's the difference?
So like mainly Ayurveda says, again
हम्म
Ayurveda says a lot. So
हम्म
but it says whatever it says it's very beneficial. Empty stomach. Like let me ask you, do you exercise empty stomach or do you eat before exercising?
2 hours before exercise, 2 hours,
2 hours
हाँ।
before exercise.
हम्म
Perfect. ताकि
हम्म
तब तक blood sugar levels stabilize हो जाएंगे.
हम्म
So if your blood sugar levels are stabilized and blood sugar मतलब you have the energy. So why do you want to eat unnecessary? That is
हम्म
why कुछ ingest नहीं करना चाहिए. Like when you have the energy. What is hunger? Hunger is not an empty stomach.
हम्म
Hunger is when our energy levels are low.
हम्म
And an empty stomach is when your body is ready to take in food for your hunger.
okay।
Let me explain. So we
हम्म
need to get our body in a way that our hunger time matches with our empty stomach time.
हम्म correct।
अगर तूने कभी खाना खाया या let's say you've had a light food,
हम्म
तूने खिचड़ी खाई है in the afternoon, this is very light and
right।
सात्विक, but again, so इफ यू हैड अ वेरी लाइट फूड तो तेरे को जल्दी भूख लग जाएगी, भूख नहीं, तेरा पेट बहुत जल्दी खाली हो जाएगा
हम्म
एंड यू विल थिंक मेरा पेट खाली हो गया है सो आई शुड ईट समथिंग।
हम्म
मम्मी विल से पेट खाली नहीं रखना है।
हाँ
पेट खाली तो कुछ खा ले।
अब
That is
ओके
not so. That is
आई
not
आई
how it works.
हम्म
If you have the energy, why do you want to eat? You're defeating the purpose of food. And then food will defeat your purpose for you.
नहीं बट देख वैसे when you come down to the practical aspects of it ये तो like you follow all this and everything जैसे मैंने अभी वो किया अपना पूरा transition you know के from unhealthy to super healthy and all ठीक है first week it's also very psychological you know के your willpower के नहीं खानी भाई मैगी ठीक है just पकड़ के रख
हाँ.
let's just go through this
Starting with because you're addicted. It's like cocaine. You're addicted to it.
एग्जैक्टली इट्स यू आर एडिक्टेड टू शिट ठीक है खाना इज
हाँ.
दैट इज बैड फूड डूड फॉर योर बॉडी ठीक है नाउ आई हैव रियलाइज इट इज शिट ठीक है एंड उस टाइम पे डेली तुम्हें मैगी भी खानी है शाम को मोमोज खाने हैं दोस्तों के साथ फिर
हाँ.
कोक कोक वगैरह तो ऐसे ही तो यू जस्ट अज्यूम के कोक वगैरह है तो इज लाइक यू नो फैंटा कोक तो ऐसी है चिल है कोई उसमें तो कुछ है यू डोंट अकाउंट फॉर द यू नो दिस शिट इट्स डूइंग टू योर बॉडी ठीक है
Yes.
एंड द फर्स्ट वीक वाज द हार्डेस्ट डूड के यू नो के नहीं खानी मैगी ठीक है कि नहीं है कि वो एक तो कप नूडल्स आल्सो सुपर इजी टू मेक डूड पानी गर्म करो बना
Yes.
लो कप
I
नूडल्स लाइक चीज नहीं खा लाइक चीज इज ओके यू लाइक वॉट एवर पीपल से बट मैं तो चीज के अंदर यू नो बटर चीज टोस्टेड सैंडविच एंड ऑल सो या दैट वाज यू नो द साइकोलॉजिकल पार्ट वाज रियली हार्ड टू यू नो अभी तो मेरा चिल है ठीक है अभी मेरे को मन भी नहीं कर इवन इफ आई हैव मैगी आई फील बैड आफ्टर इट आई फील मेरा पेट दुखना शुरू हो जाता है कि अगर मैं ज्यादा लाइक गंदा खाना खा लूँ ना
हाँ.
it
सही
I
कहा.
don't know yeah what is it but अभी अब I can't go back like it was a habit पहले but now I have made it a habit to eat healthy ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बिल्कुल ही वो
You think it's psychological also, right? कि तुमने
right
बंद करी है. Like you convince yourself internally.
mm-hmm.
That is partly true, but that partly also biological. Why you stop craving these foods as much as you used to crave then.
Mm-hmm.
If you notice कि first your willpower is strongest when you start.
correct
ठीक है, but not all the time. But तभी your craving is not as very strong when you start.
mm-hmm.
Craving willpower अलग है.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, like foods like Maggi and plain sugar, white sugar is simple carbohydrate, simple sugar.
simple sugar
What it does is it will raise your blood sugars jaldi se, and it will give you instant energy.
mm-hmm.
So your mind and your hormones, basically like your hormones also are addicted to simple carbohydrates because they are simple energy giving foods.
Mm-hmm.
And
correct
because जैसे क्या होता है एनर्जी क्रैश होता है like you eat Maggi and after 4 or 5 2 hours or so तुम्हें फिर से भूख लगेगी. You
हाँ
want to
लगती
eat something sweet and very
mm-hmm.
because like your brain is addicted to a very simple source of carbohydrates and मतलब बहुत ही instant energy.
Mm-hmm.
Your stomach is not used to being empty and बहुत देर तक you have the energy and your stomach is empty at the same time. ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं.
Mm-hmm.
If you eat complex carbs like roti and
it takes time to
full wheat, like तुम्हें बहुत देर तक एनर्जी देंगे.
अभी बता आई हैव आल्सो नोटिस के मतलब एक तो देयर आर इफ यू वॉच लाइक टीवी शोज एंड ऑल नो वो उसमें लोग खा रहे हैं तो तुम्हें भी बहुत मन करता है मतलब दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस ठीक है कि वो दे इंड्यूस दिस थिंग इवन लाइक इंस्टाग्राम पे यू आर सर्फिंग थ्रू स्टोरीज वो लोग पिज्जा की ऐसे फोटो डाल रहे हैं ऐसे चीज ऐसे निकल रहा है उसका यू फील लाइक कि ठीक है 12:30 बजे मेरे को भूख नहीं लगी मैं बेड पे लेट के लोगों की स्टोरी देख रहा हूँ बट सडनली दे विल बी लाइक के शिट अब मेरे को कुछ खाना है ठीक है so you I'll yeah that's also it's all psychological right it's inducing in your brain के you
You have
have
to
to
convince yourself that I am full of energy. I don't need food abhi. So why should I eat?
but that's this logic doesn't come up when you are literally ऐसे हाथ ऐसे craving जो होती है ना कि I need to eat something you know need to do something to my
But
body
actually, like when you eat, like एकदम habit बहुत time तक obviously बहुत time तक habit बन जाएगी eating साथ में good foods.
right
Like when the thing is that when you do start eating in a very good way, बहुत prolonged time तक, your body will. I don't like what you're talking about. I used to feel it. देख के food को. Now I don't care. I don't like. I have no attachment to food. I eat it only for me to get energy.
नहीं but I don't think that would be possible for me ठीक है there is something about food के I like ठीक है if there is something
Yes.
there is some food gasm thing that's real with me, ठीक है, कि if I have like अभी एक तो मैंने what I did to, एक तो विल पावर तो है नहीं मेरे में, ठीक है, मैं जोमेटो खोलते ही मंगा लूंगा, so I removed myself from that environment, ठीक है, दिल्ली से उठ के मैं इधर आ गया, ठीक है, वेरी रिमोट प्लेस, कुछ जोमेटो नहीं, कोई रेस्टोरेंट नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, कोविड में सब बंद पड़ा है, आई एम लिटरली आइसोलेटेड, ठीक है, खाना आता है, इट्स प्लेन फूड
कैसे
एंड
आते हैं?
हाँ, हाँ, मेस से आता है बेसिकली खाना, ठीक है, तो इट्स नॉट रियली एनीथिंग, मतलब मैंने तो विल पावर, आई डिडंट नो, आई कुडंट ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ, तो मैं उठा के अपने को एनवायरनमेंट ही चेंज कर दिया मैंने, बट आई व्हेनेवर आई ईट समथिंग लाइक मोमोज, ठीक है, इतने 2-3 हफ्ते बाद, इट गिव्स मी, यू नो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग वैसे उस हिसाब से कि एनर्जी वाइज, बट लाइक जो मुंह में ऐसा
गुड
टेस्ट
थिंग।
आता है ना, फील गुड के शिट ठीक है, आई डोंट थिंक any sattvic food I per se could replace that
Yes,
for me.
yes, yes. It is true, man. These foods are made to be addictive.
Yeah,
So like once you start, you cannot stop. But once you
that's
like totally stop, again, it is very pointless of me explaining because you are addicted.
I'm
So
addicted.
you
I'm
will-
like
I cannot just eat
I have
food.
reformed अभी एक महीने, अभी एक ही महीना हुआ है for me to, you know, I have changed थोड़ा सा अपना habit. I'm still knee deep in that shit. Okay, अभी तो it will take time for me to reach your level. You know कि
You have
attachment
to
ही
do it.
food से.
But like, if you like what I've been doing, मैं बहुत time से I've been eating like very consciously. Obviously मेरी starting में बहुत willpower लगी थी. I cannot live without Maggie.
Correct.
Like I love Maggie,
That's a fact.
but now I hate Maggie because I just eat it and I feel like shit. I'm like इतना shit feel होता है. पहले like I used to be in this shitty state all the time, so it was used to be normal for me. But now that I'm in this very alert and state, very energetic and concentrated, so I don't even feel it because I
But
don't I know कि खा के को गंदा लगेगा because my body is so sensitive now. I can
अबे
when you
most
do start when you make it a habit eating ayurvedically and very consciously, तो फिर नहीं craving नहीं होगी, then you will
most
say this is good.
most people, you know, eat consciously or choose to eat consciously when they're trying to lose weight, ठीक है, and
But that is
what are like क्या ways to lose weight if you want to, you know, okay, through this Ayurveda and healthy meal stuff, how do you uh,
so
propose?
recently like I did lose some weight. I lost because I was trying out diets, not because I wanted to lose weight, but because I wanted to increase my concentration. But I also lost weight in the process.
Hmm.
So like you mentioned, I remember you just mentioned about Punjabi belly,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm.
I used to have that problem. Abhi tak.
Mhm. Mhm.
I was like the last podcast I recorded with you. Uh, I was at a relatively high weight. I lost at least 4 or 5 kilos still since then.
Mhm.
And because I started eating Ayurvedically, and because I used to eat five that small frequent meals a day, I used to eat 6, 7 meals a day. I was just used to eating.
Mhm.
अगर मैं
Correct.
खा नहीं रहा तो कुछ गलत करो, पेट भरा नहीं हुआ मेरा तो कुछ गलत बात, बिकॉज मम्मी भी कहती है पेट नहीं भरा हुआ।
पेट नहीं भरा हुआ, हाँ।
बट
एक तो मम्मी
जब
लोग की
मेरा
आदत होती है कि बच्चों को ठुसवाना है खाना है कि ठुस लाइक माय पेरेंट्स आर लाइक अभी अभी अब जाके आई लॉस्ट 8 kgs, ठीक है, दिस पास्ट मंथ, ठीक है, एंड आई
damn,
वाज फैट, ठीक है, पहले, ठीक है, लाइक अ मंथ अगो आई वाज सुपर फैट, लाइक पूरा
I
2 दिन वाला,
noticed,
ठीक है,
I noticed you.
थैंक
Like,
यू गाइस, लाइक नहीं, बट हाँ, सो अभी मैं पहले भी माय दादी माय पेरेंट्स बोलते थे लाइक अभी तेरे को क्या जरूरत है वेट लूज करने की, तू तो ठीक है, तू
right.
ठीक है, आई वाज ओवर वेट अकॉर्डिंग टू माई BMI, ठीक है, बट नहीं, तेरे को क्या जरूरत है, आदमी टूथपिक लगने लग जाएगा, वो सब अभी मेरे को
वही
कहते
तो
हैं कि आई
अभी होते
मतलब
होंगे।
हाँ, अभी
हाँ,
अभी अभी मेरी पैंट्स ढीली हो गई हैं, तो देर लाइक अरे क्या कार्टून लग रहा है, तो और इधर पंजाबी स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ वो नहीं है अब मेरा बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर, यू नो, कि अब मैं और पतला
हाँ,
हो गया, तो इनको बड़ी
तुम्हें
अभी
एक्चुअली कभी कभी
आदत है,
शेम कराती फॉर लूजिंग वेट।
yeah, it's like you're supposed to support someone, right? Like नहीं, ये हटाओ भाई, you're not बेइज्जती करा दी
तो
तुमने,
मैं पंजाबी से पंजाबी से
इट्स अ थिंग भाई कि खाना ठुसवा दे, दादी भी वो ही कि अरे दादी तो और भी कि you're so thin, why do you want to go और thin, it's a thing with the whole family भाई, कि
इग्नोर इग्नोर।
वो करना पड़ा इग्नोर, ठीक है, वरना तो क्या ही हो जाता भाई
वरना तो
जिंदगी
भाई
में और कद्दू होता
शादी
जाता
मेरी शादी भी कराएंगे यार।
था but you were saying something about losing weight.
Yeah,
Okay.
so basically I lost a lot of like that belly because I stopped eating frequent meals, and I used to eat when मेरे energy levels are dropping, and very consciously कि now that I've मेरा पेट भर गया, I'm not eating more, I'm not stuffing myself. And so basically I lost unconsciously. I had no intention of losing weight, and I lost
Mhm.
maybe 4 or 5 kilos.
बट दैट्स
Very
ऑल्सो नॉट
healthy.
प्रैक्टिकल ना, मतलब अगर तू घर के हिसाब से देखेगा कि कि घर में खाना बना है एंड यू कांट लाइक, वो अलग बात है कि इफ यू टेल योर मॉम कि अब मेरे लिए मत बनाना है या समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट
Wait, tell your mom.
या
As my mom says, बन के आप थोड़ा खा लिया, मैं ये खाना
एग्जैक्टली
वेस्ट जाएगा. No,
दैट
just
सक्स भाई.
you have to tell your mom like, that no, I will not overeat no matter what.
हाँ, वो देयर
बनना
द
ही
नो,
नहीं खाना.
नो हैज टू बी देयर कि स्ट्रिक्ट नो कि
हाँ,
नहीं खाना है, कि अब
ठीक
ज्यादा
है,
आ भी
ठीक
जाएगा तो
है.
मैं नहीं खाऊंगा, आप लोग को ओवर ईटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. दैट्स व्हेन दे रियलाइज कि हाँ मे बी ही सीरियस, तो कम बनाएंगे, ठीक है. वरना वो बिकॉज मेरे को हमेशा से व्हेन एवर आई स्टार्ट डाइटिंग आई इट ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बी के अब बन गया है खा ले, अब आलू गोभी की सब्जी बनी है खा ले, कोई नहीं है तो अच्छी है टेस्टी है तो खा
Seriously.
ले, लाइक
बनाओ ही
ठीक
तो मैं नहीं खाऊंगा.
है. या सो या
Also,
दैट्स
one more thing. Like mostly we have this habit of another habit which is the worst for us. Ki, we have the habit of refrigerating food
अच्छा.
and eating it.
हम्म.
So that is any food that is like eaten after 4 or 5 hours after it's made,
हम्म.
even if it's like sattvic in nature or the best, like very pure in nature. If you refrigerate it and heat it, it will become tamasic. If you notice, when you start eating very ayurvedically, you will start seeing the life in food. ये अभी
ओके.
बना है, तुम्हें दिखता है कुछ, तुम्हें पता चलता है कुछ चीज रेफ्रिजरेटर, कुछ चीज अभी बनी है.
हाँ, वो तो
And
खाने से वो तो मेरे को हाँ.
हाँ, people will say कि this is not backed by science, food value same रहेगी.
हम्म.
भले ही फूड वैल्यू सेम रहे, प्रोटीन कार्ब एंड फैट कंटेंट और वट एवर सेम रहे, it will not have the life force energy that I'm talking about. It will make you sleepy and lethargic just in nature, not after the meal, but thoda in nature, lazy.
हम्म. तो the
So
life
basically,
force part dies in the
life force.
refrigerator. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. नहीं, and मेरे को ये बता कि if you had to choose between you were a vegetarian for the past year and now you're back to non-veg. Yeah, vegetarianism versus non-vegetarianism. What would you, how would you, do it?
तो सबसे
Okay.
तुम्हें को बहुत controversial statement दे दी.
नहीं मतलब देखना मतलब
I
people who
mean,
are,
I know what you're trying to say.
some people are vegetarian by choice, some people are vegetarian cause religion and all के परिवार नहीं खाता vegetarian and something like वो I accept के हाँ ठीक है तुम्हारा faith है कोई तुम्हारा वो सब है तो you can't eat non-veg. Some
I
people
will
are
tell
veg.
you why not to eat vegetarian food and why to eat non-veg. मतलब why not to eat non-vegetarian, why to eat, मतलब depends on the view.
Correct.
Okay. Why do, first of all, we'll talk about why do saints, Buddhists, and everyone, why do they choose not to eat non-vegetarian food?
Mm-hmm.
Mainly also environmental concerns and why ki, why
And
the
animals की life नहीं लेनी something like
animals
that.
की
Yeah.
life नहीं है.
Mm-hmm.
Which is logical. I
Logical.
understand ki animals also have emotions, man. Animals have, have you seen two dogs playing? They
Yeah.
will play, two dogs will play with love. And if
Mm-hmm.
you see it's love, ठीक
Mm-hmm.
है, like every chicken will also play with love, ठीक है.
Mm-hmm.
But you like, uh, I'm not justifying people trying to eat non-vegetarian food. It's okay. Like if you're eating it, basically know that you're killing the life of an animal.
Mm-hmm.
But ठीक है, if you're okay with doing that, then
Rationalizing,
ठीक है.
you're
I
rationalizing but ठीक है okay, but chicken है
if you're,
I don't
yeah,
know. Hmm. It's
but
tasty.
I will talk about the biological aspect of it.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever why we shouldn't eat non-vegetarian food and why I stopped for 1 year. I'm not that considerate. I don't have the willpower to stop eating food because of environmental concern or because the life of the animal. I never viewed it in that way. But some people view it in that way. उनके पास gift है. They are full of love.
Mm-hmm.
And if you think that you're full of love for environment in general, please do your part.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है. But also why we shouldn't eat, why meditators and sadhus mostly don't eat. It is because when you're killing an animal, like I told you, animals also have emotions. They may not be as heightened, or because we are higher conscious beings with higher consciousness, my
Mm-hmm.
emotions are very prevalent. We have the ability to speak, show our
Show our
emotions.
emotions. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But even we know when a dog is crying or when an animal is crying.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
So whenever you're killing an animal, it will release cortisol. Cortisol is stress hormone, which is
Mhm.
there in humans also.
Correct.
The basic structure of scientifically, the basic structure of a stress hormone is not different. So
Okay.
when you are eating,
तो तुम्हें
you
स्ट्रेस
will
भी okay.
and you have cortisol, like you have what I don't know which hormone cortisol in our body, but
Mhm.
mostly when we eat chicken, the blood of chicken and everything, cortisol is there in the bones and blood, and
Okay.
that will uh, this gland ko, it will like cause it to release more cortisol. More cortisol will be formed in your body, and obviously formed hai, so it will get released also.
अच्छा.
इसीलिए mostly like I tell people, I cured my anxiety. I am not advocating for mental health, but I had anxiety. I couldn't sit for meditation. I couldn't. I cured it because I stopped my intake of chicken, which is eating chicken or non-veg every day.
अच्छा.
Again, I also tell people,
You started eating
don't.
अभी वापस फिर से ना नॉन वेज.
Yes, I'll tell you why also. Because
Okay.
I wanted anger in life.
Hmm.
तो मेरे को खाना बंद हो गया. I had no passion.
So
I
that's
noticed
the
कि I
Raj what food Raja something food.
had
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Mhm.
Because
Okay.
I noticed I had no anger emotion. I want the emotion of anger because I want to experience life to full.
बहुत चिल हो गया था
Right.
तू हैं ये लाइक सुपर कुछ एकदम ही सडन.
Exactly. I was so chill. I was emotionless. मेरे को बुरा ही नहीं लगता था
हाँ हाँ.
ऐसा हो गया एक टाइम पे लाइक आई वाज इन कॉलेज आई वाज नॉट ईटिंग नॉन वेज तो इतना प्योर फूड खाता था आई वाज लाइक आई नीड टू गेट माई सेल्फ बैक द पैशनेट पर्सन आई एम and I used to do things, be alert, but I was like, okay, I don't care. It's like, anyways, that is why I left. But I don't eat it like the way I used to because every day I eat it once in 3 days. It was also very difficult to digest non-vegetarian food.
वंस
Uh,
इन 3 days तो हाँ इवन आई डू वंस इन 3 days और 4 days मतलब ठीक है. और समटाइम्स
one
लाइक
to
हफ्ता भी निकल जाता है ऐसा नहीं है कि यू नो इट्स अ वो
that
थिंग.
is well, people eat eggs every day in the morning. Yeah, obviously you will have an anxious nature. However, you will be anxious and angry, more angry in nature. So that is like the logic of it. Whatever emotion you eat, you will that the more production of that emotion in your body. Cortisol hoga body. Think also if you notice, like what do we eat? लोग कहते हैं chicken खाओ to build muscle
करेक्ट.
because we are literally eating muscle.
मसल.
So we are building muscle because we are eating muscle. If we eat stress, we will build more stress in our
स्ट्रेस
body.
या मेक सेंस.
But if you want to, like, if people say, ki, okay, I don't want stress, at the same time, want to eat non-vegetarian food for the protein part of it, try eating fish. If you
Fish, yeah.
want, become
That's the
pescatarian.
only non-veg animal I don't like, by the way. ठीक है. Fish is that's like nah, dude.
Big.
Fish, But then there's something. A lot of people like I have met like you know don't like the non-vegetarians, hardcore non-vegetarians, but they don't like fish. मेरे को ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बिल्कुल नहीं खाऊंगा वो सर, but it's a thing. Yeah, it's a I don't know. I just don't
चल तू मत
like
खा,
fish.
तू fish मत खा. और
So
तू
like
तो अमृतसर fish खाता होगा.
नहीं 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 फिश मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. मैं इट्स आई डोंट नो समथिंग अबाउट इट आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक फिश. नहीं पसंद. मटन इज
Like my
गुड.
mom was saying
चिकन
कि
इज गुड.
fish में fish smell आती है, taste
फिश में
आता है.
या थोड़ा फिशी लगता है यू नो.
हाँ,
आई डोंट नो.
try
इट्स अ
get like it or the same. So basically, like fish is very far from human biology. So it will
थिंग.
not, it will still like, it will not do the same things, the same feelings, or in the same intensity that a chicken does. When you become like very meditative in nature, why I left chicken was not because of this, because I felt chicken. Like I got at one time, I was so much into meditation, and my body became so sensitive. And chicken khaya, I couldn't. पूरा मेरे को breathlessness हो जाती थी and like पूरा I used to feel, it's not an exaggeration to say that I used to feel the emotions of a chicken.
Damn.
हाँ,
See,
मैं रोने लगता था.
some people also feel like after seeing those videos na ke processing ki a lot of people stop eating non-veg because of that also. Ke if
Yes.
they see because I know a friend of mine ke
I've seen वो पेटा की videos, yeah.
she saw a video of pigs burning in a pit or something and all,
हाँ,
just like and
sacrificing.
रेगुलर प्रोडक्शन का वो मोड होता है. ठीक है. एंड शी क्विट नॉनवेज ऑल टुगेदर लाइक कंप्लीटली बंद ही कर दिया कि इट्स
हाँ,
इनह्यूमेन टू डू समथिंग लाइक
lots
दैट
of
टू डू
people do that.
समथिंग. तो
But
वो
doing it is a good thing. But I never did it because of that. I never even thought. मेरे को भी ऐसे सोचा ही नहीं. I never used to watch these videos. I was so stubborn. But
हम्म
I only used to meditate. मेरे को बस meditate करना है. मेरे को मेरी anxiety दूर करनी है.
हम्म
And then I used to meditate so intensely. And then I ate chicken. So my body became so sensitive that I knew what it was doing to me. It is doing the same thing to you, but because you're not very sensitive, you're not feeling it. But if you notice, कभी भी देखो गुस्सा आ जाता है. And you get
Correct.
really angry. And then you stay angry for a long time.
हम्म
मतलब मूड बिगड़ जाता है या मूड बिगड़ जाता है
मूड बिगड़ जाना हाँ well, like you don't stay angry as such but you're in a bad mood the whole day something like that.
yes
Mm-hmm.
yes so because you made so much of that hormone I think I don't know what does that but like certain chemicals are released when we get so it is already in the blood
Mm-hmm.
so to like be more calm and not induce anger in the first place वो चीज खाओ ही मत जिससे एंगर ना आए
वेरी इजी
अगर
वे
anger
आउट हाँ खाओ मत
एंगर में सैड नहीं हो ना सैड चीजें को खाओ ही मत
मत
बट
खाओ
जैसे मेरे को प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी आई वांटेड एंगर इन माय लाइफ
हाँ ज्यादा भी वो डिवॉइड ऑफ इमोशन नहीं होना ना लाइफ में कि बिल्कुल ही वो हो जा के संत बन जाओ
it's a
बिल्कुल ही
constant process of learning all I can say of
बढ़िया
exploring like,
so on that note do you want to give a conclusion thing of sorts to our audience.
I want to give a conclusion those of you like who've listened and heard key those of you don't believe Ayurveda don't do it but if those of you are skeptical about it do try
Mm-hmm.
and see for yourself how it makes a change to your body. I would tell people to eat sattvic, but I cannot tell everyone. So do your own research and whatever I said, just research. That's all.
करेक्ट चलो और मेरी कंक्लूजन हो गई बी हैप्पी आई डोंट नो जो जो सुना प्लीज लाइक आई गेन्ड अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज फ्रॉम दिस पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्डिंग दिस तो सुनने में तो और भी मजा आएगा थैंक
I had
यू
a fun time.
thank you Aryan for joining us and please guys do hit like and share this with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching bye thanks Aryan.